welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex and today I want to show you how to use the writing tool in iOS 18. In order to do this, you will need to have a device that supports AppleIntelligence, so iPhone 15 Pro or newer, iPad with an M1 chip or newer, and also a Mac with an M1 chip or newer. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So here we are on my screen, and here's some text I wrote for one of my YouTube descriptions. Now, all I have to do is that once you write the text you want, all you have to do is go ahead and highlight the text itself. And then you're going to see a thing that pops up that says Writing Tool. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you have an option where you can say Proofread, Rewrite, Friendly, Professional, or Concise. So you got some options. You can also summarize, keep points, list, or table, which is kind of cool. So if I just want to proofread, I can just proofread and it's going to check for grammar and spelling and all that. So no changes, cool. So no issues with that. Now we're going to go ahead and highlight it again. Go to our writing tool. Now let's go ahead and click rewrite. And it's going to basically rewrite, and here's what it kind of came up with. You can kind of say, okay, I like it, or no. You can also, if you click on, so you can give it a rating if you want. You can also click the little pencil to redo it. Okay, and revert back. So if I want to change this, I can click on my little Siri here. Let's say friendly. Hey everyone, Nude Computer Guys, the folks behind Tech Corner just dropped a new video. It's got all the juicy details on how to reset Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge to their default settings. This means you can say goodbye to crashes, pop-ups, and slow browsing. Trust me, your browser experience will thank you. So that is how you can go about using the writing tool in through AppleIntelligence. It's really great. It integrates with pretty much anything you type in any app. All you have to do is highlight the text and you should be able to spruce it up and all that. If you also struggle with writing and all this is a lifesaver. So if you like this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content and want to support this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.